Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to log in into the Xfinity app step by step. First, go to the Google Play Store or App Store, then search for the Xfinity app and then download the app if you haven't already installed it. Once installed, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap the sign in button. Then enter your Xfinity ID, email address or mobile number. Then make sure you type your details correctly to avoid login errors. After entering your credentials, tap on sign in and wait for your account dashboard to load if prompted. Complete any verification steps such as entering one-time code sent to your phone or email. For quicker access in the future, you can enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint from the settings. That's how you log in into the Xfinity app. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and